I've prepared here a project to show how to reference an image resource. As I've already said, there are 3 options you can choose as a build option for the resource. Let's look at our image file and its properties. Let's look at different options one by one. At first, let's set the build action to content. I'll rebuild the application. Let's set our image as a source for the image control. In this case, Visual Studio sees our resource and we can just easily set it. Now let's set the build action to resource. I'll rebuild the application. And nothing changes. Everything just works as expected. From the first perspective, the content option and resource option are the same. But the thing is that when you choose content, the resource will not be embedded to the assembly. It will stay as a loose file on disk and will be required in the runtime. By the way, if the resource resides in the other project, you can reference it via the URI syntax. I've created a separate project named Images and copied the image. Let's use the URI syntax. Let's rebuild. And everything works. Let's examine the embedded resource option. The thing is that when we run the application, we don't see the image. We can't reference it like this. We have to load it explicitly. We have to explicitly retrieve the assembly manifest resource stream. I've prepared a code snippet for loading the embedded resource. Let's have a look at it. Here it is. I'll uncommand. Here I get the executing assembly and then load the image as a stream of bytes. Let's run the application. And everything works. Fine, now you know how to work with binary resources in WPF. Let's have a look at logical resources.